Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be doing a soft grunge look. So it's gonna be a little gothic, but I think it's cute, especially with my gray hair. So first, as you guys know, I start off priming my face. I'm using Fenty Beauty's primer. Next, I'm going in and outlining my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Just gonna blend that out so it's not looking too harsh. Alright, so next I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows with some concealer. So next I'm going to do my foundation. I am using Fenty Beauty and 440. So next I'm just going to highlight with Rihanna's Matchstick in Suede. I'm just going to put that under my eyes, on my forehead, my upper lip, and my chin. And I'm going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. So I'm just going to blend that out a little bit more so there's not like a harsh line where I took off my scarf. And I'm going to do a little bit of contouring, not too much. You really don't need too much of this product because a little bit goes a long, long way. Alright, so now I'm just going in with my eyeshadow primer. Because I don't want no creasy eyelids. Not at all, not at all. now it's time for the eyeshadow. I am just going in with the lightest, well, it's not the lightest shade, but it's like the lightest crease shade that I have in that palette. I'll definitely have all the colors listed below. I am using my go-to Tartlette in Bloom. And now I'm going over my lid with the next darkest shade. Kind of just putting that all over my eyelid. I'm not really concentrating it on any one area, just my eyelid region. Bring it a little bit to the outside, but I'm gonna go back in with the darker, the darkest shade for the outside anyway, so you don't have to do that for that portion. Okay, so now I'm kind of going in with the darkest color, kind of more blending it into the crease a little bit more and really concentrating on the outside, and I'm going to drag it down to my bottom lid as well. So I'm just putting some set powder under my eye. I'm kind of concentrating on my highlighted areas. I put a lot of it, most of it under my eye, and then the rest on the rest of my highlighted areas, and then the least on my contoured areas. It's time for the lashes. Yes. Now, I actually put my eyelashes on backwards, so that's why I had to start over. I was just too excited, got ahead of myself. Those are my favorite lashes. Favorite lashes. Where are they? No, these are my third favorite because my favorite lashes, I messed them up. And I hadn't gotten a new pair yet. So what you just saw was me highlighting. I'm using the Matte Shimmer Stick in Cinnamon, and now I'm lining my lips. I'll have the colors below. I'm just gonna go in on top of that with some of Rihanna's holographic lip gloss. And spray and mascara. Make sure you blend in your falsies with your naturals. Don't want to have butterfly lashes, it's not cute. And slow-mo. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All my hair information will be below in the description as usual, so hit me up if you have any questions. Shop with your girl. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.